Hello, good day. Today I'm going to show you how to get insights on your Instagram account. So first, let's go to Instagram and go on your profile, which is on the bottom right corner, and then the three lines at the top right, click that. So we can go on settings and then go on account, scroll down, and you will see here the switch to professional account, and we'll keep on clicking the continue button. And then here, choose a category of what type of account it is. So here I'm going to choose editor, and then I'm going to choose the creator. Depends on what type of account you're making. I'm going to hit next, and then not now, and we can close this page for now and just set it up later. So we can click this professional dashboard. In here, you'll be able to now see the account's insights. So you'll see how many accounts it has reached, the people, the amount of likes, follows that you've gained, and here on your post, you can also see the insights for all of your posts. You can see insights for every single one of it. And yeah, that's pretty much how you get insights on your Instagram account. Thank you.